How to crop an image using Figma. First, open Figma and select the image you want to work on. Now head over to the toolbar and click on the crop icon. Alternatively, you could also go to the fill section of the right sidebar, and then click on the image thumbnail. Once you've done that, you need to open the image mode dropdown and select crop. 8 blue handles will appear on each sides of your image. To crop the image, you can click and drag one of the 8 blue handles around the image. You can also reposition the image by clicking and dragging, resize it by clicking and dragging the edges, or even rotate the image or crop section. If you want to maintain the current aspect ratio of the image or crop section, simply hold down Shift while cropping or resizing. To crop or resize opposite sides of the image or crop section simultaneously, hold down Alt while dragging. And that's it. When you're happy with your changes, click anywhere on the canvas to apply the crop or press the Escape or Return key.